simplicity in an outfit is my friend. However, sometimes it can definitely fall flat. Good news is that with a few simple tweaks, we can elevate it in no time. Today, let's look at Milan's Fashion Week for our beautiful inspiration. Yeah, bellissimo! This is definitely sort of a power outfit for me, or definitely was a power outfit for me. But again, it sort of falls to, again, the idea that it's not very memorable. We're still on interest, if you were wondering. So one of the things that I think can bring in interest is dimension. And I think this Milan Fashion Week definitely had some perfect examples of what you can do to bring in a bit more interest, a little bit more dimension. It was very hard to narrow this list down. But first, let's look at Armani. I think this was such a beautifully simple collection. They brought in that dimension with shading. I think shading is one of the most underutilized styling tools. That idea of dégradé, of just going from light to dark. The next one is Bottega. And if you saw the collection, you know which bit of dimension I'm gonna say. And that is texture. Texture. That's the kind of beauty of texture. It kind of does a lot of the work for you. Everything else you put with that piece can really just be super minimal. Next example is Dolce Gabbana. And their example of dimension, material structure. The structure of the tailoring, the sharpness of the tailoring, then combined with the whimsy, romance of the lace dresses, the lace tops, difference of material structures just really gives that beautiful levels. I think one of my favorite looks, where is it, is look 11 with the chiffon skirt and the tailored hourglass blazer. That just gives such a beautiful elevation. The example I want to show for Moschino is of patterns adding dimension. Look 13 and look 15. Because we have the print against the black, especially in look 15, because you have that pattern underneath, then popped against the framing of that black coat, it just brings in such beautiful levels. And one, again, it allows for that pattern to be like the showpiece. Clearly, I've already said, the bit of interest that we are focusing on here today is dimension. Dimension is a beautiful thing. There's lots of options for dimension, as I've showed, and it is a very loaded subject again, so we will have to definitely return to this topic again, and we will. So what is the bit of dimension that we are going to focus on today? What is the bit of dimension that we can pull away from this, that we can bring into our own everyday? Let's focus on patterns. You know, I'm not a massive pattern girl. The only pattern I really own is stripes and a bit of gingham. Thinking about how can you separate each layer to bring in 2D, 3D, 4D, to really pull people in. But for me, if you're using patterns as your dimension, it's really about how are you accentuating that pattern to give that depth. But for me, it's more than that. You can't just throw on a pattern and call it a day. It's really about thinking, how am I going to accentuate this pattern to really give further depth? Making the pattern the star. I love this look. This has been a go-to look for me, a sort of uniform, as I should say, for years. But like I've said before, I've done every version of this outfit. In some scenarios, it's absolutely perfect and chic. In other scenarios, it can definitely fall a little flat. First, I think we need to add another layer just to bring in, well, dimension. So, what better layer to add than my favorite? Cashmere. Oh, that's not cashmere, that's my sweatshirts. Okay, here we go. I've had this baby for over a decade. Yeah, she has done me well. I think people are like scared to wear their good cashmere. No, no friend. Cashmere is, I have to say, one of the most durable fabrics I have ever worn. This is going to just add another interesting layer. It's going to sort of break up the structure of the button-up and the jeans, but more so than anything, what this is going to do is be the accent for our pattern, to make our pattern the star. So this is definitely happening. Okay. So I think the big question on everybody's mind is, what pattern are we going to add and where are we going to add it? A little sneaky bottom back here. Yeah, I know, what can I say? It's my OCD. I have weird thing when it comes to displaying my clothes. I'm very specific. So these beauties are my Celine vertical stripe pants. This is going to be our dimension. Black accent to the print, and the print is sort of just peeking through, really creating that little bit of surprise. Question is, can it upgrade this power look and give it the dimension that it deserves?